Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, our virtual journey transports us to the mystical fairy pools in the heart of the Isle of Skye, Scotland, where we explore the wonders of our world. Join me as we immerse ourselves in the ethereal beauty and enchanting landscapes of the fairy pools. Our adventure unfolds amidst the breathtaking Quilin Mountains, a majestic backdrop to the enchanting fairy pools. Join me as we explore the magical setting, where waterfalls cascade into crystal clear pools, creating a fairy tale ambience. Dive into the emerald green waters of the fairy pools, where each pool is a reflection of nature's artistry. Join me in marveling at the vibrant flora and fauna that surround these pools, creating a tapestry of colors that captivates the soul. Our journey leads us to the tranquil cascades and natural water features that grace the fairy pools. Join me in experiencing the soothing sounds of flowing water and the serene ambience that envelopes this hidden gem. The fairy pools are steeped in folklore and legend. Join me as we delve into the tales of fairies and elementals that are said to inhabit these mystical waters, adding an extra layer of magic to this already enchanting landscape. For the adventurous spirits, the fairy pools offer an opportunity to immerse yourself in their crystal clear waters. Join me as we witness others embracing the magic of the moment, swimming in the refreshing pools surrounded by nature's wonders. Embark on the scenic hiking trails that lead us to the fairy pools. Join me as we explore the picturesque walks along the streams, surrounded by lush landscapes and the sound of nature's symphony. The fairy pools reveal different facets with each passing season. Join me in appreciating the changing landscapes, from the vibrant blooms of spring to the serene snowscapes of winter, as the fairy pools transform with the rhythm of nature. Preserving the magic of the fairy pools is a shared responsibility. Join me in exploring the conservation efforts and the importance of practicing responsible tourism to ensure that this natural wonder remains a sanctuary for all. As the sun sets over the enchanting fairy pools, we conclude our virtual journey. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures.